Everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tian, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use a starter theme from underscore or understrap, basically same thing. So underscore is by let's go to this website first. So this is basically a starter theme package, and whenever you are making your own custom WordPress theme from start, you need to have bunch of files like index.php, functions.php, style.css. For the image, you have to have screenshot.png. So what this does, this will give you a bare bone WordPress theme that you can work with. So it will give you a 404 template, then the custom header PHP, and it will give you folders in which you will have your template parts resided. So it will give you a bunch of cool stuff to start with, and you don't have to worry about anything because it will save you a lot of time. So let's create our own uh, underscore theme. So let's name it like simple. So simple is the name, and author is me, Tian. The author UI, tiansarena.com, and description can be a simple WordPress theme. So yeah, that does it. And I don't wanna have the WooCommerce boilerplate right now, so I'm simply gonna click on the generate button. And what this will do, this will give me a minimum WordPress theme that will have all the functionality in it. So let's go to this file, and it will come in a zip format, so you have to extract it. So I'm simply gonna extract it here, and you can see the simple folder, and here you can see all the files that you will need to start your own WordPress theme. So yeah, we have our um, functions PHP, index PHP. Then if we go to includes, there are some other PHPs as well, some JS files for the language stuff, then some layouts, then the template bars, and here we have style CSS, we have sidebar single search, then page, header, footer. Where's the footer one? So yes, the footer. So you are already familiar with this stuff, so this will basically give you a file like this, and you can actually work on this. And one thing I want to show you, so this is the theme that you will get, but if you want to work with the bootstrap, then you have to make it bootstrap. But if you want bootstrap built in with the theme, then you can use something called understrap. So what this does, understrap is something that is WordPress plus Bootstrap 4 theme framework. So what this will do, this will basically uh, give you everything, and it will be integrated with the Bootstrap. You don't have to manually do it for yourself. So all you have to do is you have to download understrap. You have to basically give your email, first name, last name, and what work you will do with this project. So basically you can say I build sites for myself, because as we are just practicing. And if you want more updates, you can tick mark this, and you can just simply click on send me understrap. So that's how easy it is. And what understrap will do, it will give you same file, something like this, but the only difference is it will be integrated with bootstrap, so you don't have to worry about bootstrap anymore. But if you don't want to have bootstrap and you want to work on the theme itself, then underscores is a good place to start as well. Here you can say these are the contributors, uh, amazing contributors who's been helping making this community strong. So this is an automatic production, and automatic, those who don't know, automatic is the company behind WordPress. So yeah, this you will definitely get your quality from this underscores theme, starter theme. So yeah, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video with some other topic. Till then, take care.